Your car is on fire. What are you going to do? In your theory test, you'll be asked a question about your car setting on fire while you're driving through a tunnel. What do you think the right thing to do would be? Would it be to get out of your car and call for help? Or is the right thing to do drive out of the tunnel if it's safe to do so? Let's go through some facts that you need to know about driving through tunnels. Then we'll get back to this particular question. So fact number 1, when you're driving through a tunnel, you should turn your dipped headlights on. Your dipped headlights are your normal car lights. They're called dipped headlight because the light doesn't come out straight in front of your car. The light dips down towards the road so that it doesn't dazzle people in their eyes. So fact number 1, turn your dipped headlights on. Fact number 2 is that you should remove sunglasses. Sunglasses make things darker and you're going through a dark tunnel. So you need to turn them off, take them off so that you can see clearly. Fact number 3 is to turn your radio on. Tune it to a local radio station and then you can be pre-warned of any incidents that are happening inside the tunnel. Fact number 4, if you break down while driving through a tunnel, you should turn your hazard warning lights on, park safely, be very cautious and use the emergency telephone to call for help. Fact number 5, if your vehicle catches fire, drive it out of the tunnel if it's safe to do so. So, the answer to the theory test question, what would you do if your car sets on fire while you're driving through a tunnel, is drive your car out of the tunnel if it's safe to do so. You don't want to leave a burning vehicle inside a tunnel if you don't have to. Another question you might get asked about driving through tunnels is how would you know that there's congestion or an incident ahead of you? How would you know there's a build-up of traffic or there's been a car crash in the tunnel? Is the answer A, hazard warning lines, or B, variable message signs? What do you think the answer is? Loads of people get confused with this question. If there's been an accident or a build-up of traffic in the tunnel for some reason, there'll be signs in lights above you. The information in these signs changes. They give you various messages, so they're called variable message signs. They might tell you about a change in speed limit or that a lane is closed, for example. So the answer to the theory test question, how would you know there was an incident or congestion ahead of you while you're driving through a tunnel, is variable message signs. A lot of people think the answer is hazard warning lines. But remember, lines in the road are permanent. They're there all the time. If there was an accident, let's just say that this blue car and red car have crashed into each other. And at the moment, there's short lines with long gaps. People would not turn up and make these into long hazard lines. And then when they've cleared the accident, they wouldn't run along and rub these lines out. Lines in the road are permanent. Lines in the road don't warn you about an incident or congestion. Lines in the road warn you that you're driving towards a more dangerous part of the road, but something that's there permanently, like a sharp bend or a junction. I hope this video helps you answer lots of questions about driving through tunnels, and it helps you with your driving as well. Please like this video and don't forget to follow this account. And thanks for watching.